Good morning, everybody. Doc here, Platinum Pro Wash, St. Louis, Missouri. Today we are in O'Fallon, Missouri, and we have a house that needs to be washed because they are getting ready to put it on the market, and it definitely needs to be washed. Take a look. So it's really bright on this side, so I don't know if you can see all that nastiness, all those cobwebs. Dirty, dirty, dirty. And then we'll come around here. You can see them better, I think, there. All the mildew and mold. Who knows what's behind this piece of wood. More nastiness. No doubt they need it cleaned if they're going to put it on the market. That sounds bright, huh? Look at all that. Whew, that's the bad stuff there. I like them when they're this way because I like to see the results at the end. And I know the homeowner's going to love it. The people that buy it are going to love it too, huh? Yeah, look at that. Boy, that's a dirty one. That is a dirty one. Yes, indeed. Good stuff there. Ooh, that's a big old hole. Come around here, back patio area. Dirty, dirty, dirty. This will be a huge transformation on this house. Yes, indeed. And as my old pappy always said, ain't no step for a high stepper. We'll get this one nice and clean. Boy, it's just dirty all the way around. There isn't a clean side. Alright, so this is it. Gonna get set up. We got the water going. Boys are getting the tanks ready. We're gonna get to rocking and rolling on this one. See you in a minute. Peace. All right guys, time for the reveal, finished product. Didn't get as much spray time as I wanted to just because my phone's on like 3%, so. Front side wasn't that bad, just a lot of cobwebs, which you can see are all gone now. Plants have been watered down really heavily. Got a lot of pretty flowers around here. Didn't want to take the chance on getting soap on those. As you can see, over here in this corner there was a lot of mildew buildup. As you can see, that's all gone now. Starting around here on the back side. Hey, what's up guys? You waiting on somebody? Going fishing? Just hanging out? Okay. They don't talk that much. But back here is where you can really see the difference. There was green all through here. As you can see, it's all gone now. There's green back here, it's all gone. Clean, clean, clean. Back here it was really green. Now it's white, white, white. And starting back here was a really bad part. They may not want to leave now. They got a new house. Over here on this side. Ooh, look at that. I took some before pictures. I'm going to try to get in the same position and take them again. Man, that is clean, clean. Sign looks brand new other than the holes in it. Yes, indeed. Clean, clean, clean. Shiny like a new nickel. All the way around here was green, now it's white. Looking good, looking good. All right, guys, that's that for that one. That's that for this one. So, hopefully, another satisfied customer with a nice white house. They're putting this on the market. I remember them saying that. I think I said that earlier. I think I just increased the value by about $10,000. If not more, who knows? Curb appeal, right? It's all about the eyes. The eyes sell everything. All right, guys, that's it. We will catch you on the next one. Peace.